What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct, and this is a product that I have been talking about for a long time. It's one of those things that I recommend that everybody has in their vehicle, and it's been a long time since I've done a proper video on it. So I figured I would grab one and show you guys what this thing is all about because I really like this. This is the Cusco Cross wrench, and the reason I like it is because it comes packaged in this tiny little package here, nice little carrying case. But what it's capable of is the most impressive part. So, of course, you pull it apart, instantly you notice some resistance, and that's because it has this nice O-ring here. And so that way, when you've got it in there, it's not gonna rattle around and fall apart and get lost in the ether of your trunk space. But when you pull it apart, you have basically a full working cross wrench. And you've got the ability to have some serious torque on there if you want. You've got your 21, you've got a 19, and I believe that's a 17. So it'll fit basically any aftermarket lug nut that you have on your import vehicle. Now I can't say that's true on a lot of domestics, but if you've got an import, this will work for you. Plus it does give you a few different options for spacing there. And so again, having more torque, it just is such a handy tool that can really save you in a pinch, because let's be honest, any car that you buy now comes with a quite pathetic little quote-unquote toolkit. They include the scissor jack, and then the lug nut wrench is basically the mechanism to operate the scissor jack, and it sucks, unfortunately. And so something like this to have in your vehicle, you can break apart, you can break loose all your lug nuts, get your tire changed or your wheel changed over in much less time. Plus, this is legitimate JDM hotness, straight from Japan, from Cusco. It's a really cool, compact product. It's inexpensive, it's super high quality, and it's just an awesome thing. This would make a great gift for anybody. If you've got a car person that you're trying to buy a gift for or something like that, and you're like, man, they've already got like a 700 wheel horsepower Supra or something ridiculous like that. I guarantee you they don't have one of these, and they've probably looked at it before and have wanted it. Or if you're watching this video and you want one, ask your girlfriend or something to buy it for you, because they're really not that expensive, and it's just a very cool little product. Anyway, I'll stop rambling on about it. Check it out. It is the Cusco Cross wrench, and it is awesome. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.